The other thing I noticed was this kit came with these machine screws that have the drill tip on the front. And these are excellent for sheet metal, but they're not good for wood on your trailer. So what I bought was these. There's 40 pieces from Lowe's, and $6 and change. But as you can see, look at that thread compared to that one there. And these are 1.25 inches long. These are 1 inch long. Plus these have neoprene washers on it, but these are a lot better for wood compared to the one that came with it, that if you put them on your roof, the wood sheeting on your roof, on your trailer, if you tighten them up, they're going to strip out. But these will bite a lot better, and you don't have to worry about them stripping out. And the bolts I used in here, they're carriage bolts with nylocks. These will lock it in place and you don't have to worry about coming off. This way, you put them in here underneath the solar panel. If you ever have to take it off in the future, you can just rest your finger on the carriage bolts and loosen up the 1/4 inch nut here. These are 1/4 inch. This one's 1 inch, but the one I have on there is 3/4 inch long. I heard some people have a hard time getting these bolts out. They ever have to take out the panels, because once you got this bracket on your trailer, it's hard to get the panel off if you had to take all the adhesive off of it there. So that's one little thing I did on it. Next, I'll be measuring it, making sure it's just in the right spot. And I did this on the other side too. Then you just go ahead and put a little mark around the corner of all the brackets, just so you know they're exactly where they go. And then next, I like to put a small little pilot hole whenever I drill into wood. This way it gets a good bite onto the screw on the wood. I got lucky. There's a joist right there. Nice and tight. Look at that. That is just there to keep me in track, in alignment. So when I lift this other side, I don't have to worry about lining back up. How they get to. So I have those two screws on the other side holding it from moving, and I'm able to lift it and apply a generous amount of this sealant underneath the pad. This way no water will go underneath it and hit the wood. through that.
Two big wasp nests on the roof.
Get them out.
No, they're on the roof. I'm not sure how to get to it. I don't want to go that high.
That's nice and tight. My bolts have the neoprene washer under the metal washer. I still want to put the lap sealant all the way around the bolt, the bracket, just as an extra insurance it won't leak. A little extra insurance. It was a non-leveling lap sealant, and it probably would have been better if I had the leveling sealant, but this stuff wasn't that bad after I got used to working with it. Recommendation, get the level and stuff next time. Stuff ain't that bad to work with. Once you let it set for about an hour, you can go back there and pat it down. And the only recommendation I would recommend is go with 1.25" long screws. Just because you might hit like support and beam across there and get a little bit more bite into it. Other than that, 1 inch was good for me. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have my next video showing my 1,000 watt inverter with my 200 watt solar panel, finished product, and we'll check them out and give me your feedback on that there and see what you think. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and enjoy your day.